I'd like to tell you a little bit about our feature, which does the Medicare bulk receiving. So for that, what we do is we take the exact file that you get from Medicare, which I'll just show you where that file is kept. File, and we will look at this file. So what it does, it actually is exactly the correct file in this column. So column B is the critical data because that is the number that is used to create all these transactions. So let's go back into P5 and we go to the finance. We go through to the Medicare subsidy receipting and we choose a date, and we'll go back a little bit and we got to the 10th of July and we put that Medicare and we select to which bank account it's going to be posted to. We then click, we choose the file, and over here we choose in the file that we've selected over there, which is that one, and we press upload. Now, before it uploads, it does tell us that the file, whether it has been uploaded before. If it has been uploaded before, what we've got an issue is that it's going to duplicate it. There's no double checks on that. So click yes, and what it's telling us is that there's one item where we've got government subsidies which are paid for a resident, for this resident. And the reason we've actually doctored the data to make sure, because the two invoices need to link to each other. And because of this, this one will not actually match. So we'll press OK, and the file upload is successful. And what you will see is that all the other transactions have been captured in this column over here called this pay. What one's able to then do before one presses the post button, what one can do is download all this information into a CSV file, which is another one, which is just uploading there. And what we've got is we can then investigate Eva Elephant, for instance, as to why there's $24.80, and same thing with Fiona Fox. So it might be either that Medicare have underpaid us for that reason, because this gives us how much Medicare done compared to the invoice that we've raised. Now, bear in mind what this invoice does is it makes sure that we captured all the credit notes that relate to it. So in other words, if there's a means tested care fee linked to it, for instance, in Allen Apple, what you'll see is that that one has actually captured the amount, so the reduction is the actual pay correctly reflected on this report. If there are any questions, please give us a call, but just thought I'd give you a brief intro into this.